Run.
Alright guys, let's start with the installation of the Cyclops 10,000 lumen bulb. Before we get started, let's prepare the bike. So what we want to do is take a rack or so and put it on your fender. You don't want to scratch it up. So now you have two screws on the headlight. One is on this side, the other one is on this side. So what you're gonna do is unscrew these two and take the light bulb off. Alright, since we took the two screws out, now we're gonna remove the headlight from the headlight bucket. After you remove your headlight, you are going to remove the spring here. I prepped mine already. There's two screws, one on this side, one on this side. Take them out and take out that little piece that holds the bulb within the headlight. Next, unplug the DC connector. Next, remove the bulb from the headlight. Alright guys, now we have removed the old headlight bulb. Now it's time to put the new headlight bulb in. Alright, we got our new headlight bulb here. Let's plug it into the DC connector first. Okay, we have plugged in the Cyclops H4 lumen bulb into the DC connector. Let's put it back in the headlamp. Alright, our headlamp is back inside with the spring. Now it's time to put the two screws back in. The two screws I'm talking about are this one and this one. After you have screwed in both screws, put the headlight back in the bucket. After you finish putting the headlight back on, remember, put your two screws back in. Alright guys, after you have installed your two bolts in there, it's time to fire the bike up. Remember, you can only test the light if the bike is running. So what you can do is start the bike and kill the engine with the kill switch. So the engine is not running, but the light is shining. Alright guys, we have installed the bulb. We have tested the light if it's running or not. It's time to go outside now and test the light and compare it to the 7,000 lumen bulb.